Hey guys, it's Allie. Today I'm going to be filming a video that is kind of a follow-up to one of my previous videos, which, it's the video where I cut my hair in layers and dye my hair pink. And, I told you guys in that video that maybe I was gonna cut a bit more of my hair off, because the emo look that I'm going for wasn't exactly achieved. So today I'm going to be trying to cut more of my hair off without throwing myself into like extreme shock. So today that's what we're going to be doing. I just washed my hair and I dried it. So it's semi-straight. So the last time you guys saw me, I probably had a darker shade of pink in my hair, so I have been washing out my hair color, guess a lot, maybe? I don't know. So today I'm going to try to give myself a bit more layers. I don't feel like I look emo enough. I hope I won't regret this because I don't want to look like it's super choppy and I look like I'm gonna be like a complete mess. So we're gonna try that today and we're gonna see if I can, you know, achieve the look I'm going for without compromising too much of the hair I already have. So let's try this. I don't know. So I'm kind of doing this in front of a tiny little mirror. I don't know if you guys want to see this, but it's literally a tiny ass little mirror from like the way we're filming right now. I'm still trying to set up, by the way, also, this is probably going to be an update as well. I'm also trying to set up cooler backgrounds for you guys, so you guys don't always see the boring black background. And so I ordered a lot of stuff recently that I just want to get already, but you know, because of this whole pandemic and this whole thing that's going on, everything that, you know, is non-essential is going to be put on the back burner when it comes to shipments, which I am totally okay with. It's just that I kind of planned a lot of these videos to be sort of like one after the other. So I ordered some stuff so we could do unboxings, so we could, you know, it was just like for the channel. And, you know, now I have to like kind of like improvise, think of other different videos to upload every week. So that's what I guess we're going to be trying to do. We're going to be doing about the same thing that I did before. This video is not going to be very fun and entertaining. It's going to be more like a boring video that nobody wants to watch. But at this point, oh well, what are we going to do? I saw like this like quarantine bingo card where like, you know, like you tick off like all the things that you've done and all the things that, you know, you kind of went through quarantine, what we're still going through. But, and one of them is like cutting your hair. And I'm just like, if only I could tick off that box 3 times, because I kind of planned on cutting my hair before this happened. It's always kind of the look that I've been wanting to go back to. So, I just have this weird feeling that like, I just have like PTSD from having short hair. And now that, you know, I'm cutting my hair, ooh. Now that I'm cutting my hair, I feel like, I don't know, it's just really weird. Also, the video that we did, I did show you guys that I was cutting my hair. It wasn't like the best angle. You guys really couldn't see anything I was doing. So I feel like this is like a better, like the better version, better angle you guys can watch this at. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know, you guys. I'm trying to look cute, okay? I just want to look cute. Is that like too much to ask? I just want to look cute. Please. Please let me look cute. I feel like we cut my bangs, but like I want to cut them shorter. Maybe I just want short hair. I've been watching a lot of videos of people shaving their head, like shaving their head. And I I'm gonna have a lot of vacuuming to do after this. I talked about this before in like my other videos where I told you guys, one day I'm gonna be shaving my head. And I guess like right now I'm like, because I'm feeling like the quarantine feels, I'm kind of like having second thoughts of doing that. Maybe like in the future I'll change my mind. But for now, it's not something I think I'm gonna do anytime soon, especially if I want to like, I don't know, record like music videos or something. I kind of want to look cute in my music videos. And also like, I'm not quite sure if I would look good bald. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys think I would look good bald. I have a feeling that's the answer. The answer would be no, but, who knows? Maybe not. I don't know. It's just hair. It's gonna grow back, but like, well, now I can't go back. That's for sure. Now I can't go. Now I can't go back. Well, that's pretty short, but oh well. I'm trying to be the perfect emo girl for my perfect emo boy. So yeah. Holla at your girl if you a cute emo boy that wants to make YouTube videos with me. Okay. Oh man. Sometimes, I don't know if I'm doing this like out on a whim, but I just really want to look like I did back in the day, just because I miss that look, even though it's dated. Drop the comb. Ooh. Ooh, I cut really high. Oopsies. I cut really high. Oh, this hair is gone. Am I looking emo yet? Please. Will Johnny Gilbert ever date me? Probably not. Just let that. Just deal with it, Allie. Just deal with it. No. Yes. I think this is good. Is this good? I mean, this is pretty short. This is pretty short. Ooh. Ooh. Also, another thing is like, I always found that like, I never make my bangs really thick. Like, I know a lot of people take their bangs from like up here and they go like, whatcha? And then I'm just like, yeah, I don't think I want to sacrifice that much, you know? Like, that's a lot. Like, that's up here. And I'm like, ooh, girl, no. Let's see what I could do for the rest. I'm gonna let down some of my hair and we're gonna see what I could do with that. All right, so let's keep going and let's keep trying. This is a really long piece, but I like long hair, what can I say? Also, I'm kind of enjoying how my pink hair is turning more of like a bubble gum, whereas before it was more like a purpley pink, which is kind of like, I don't know, expected. Because my hair always starts off like a bit more purple because I tone it purple, and then I get more like yellowy tones. So yeah, I'm kind of really enjoying this color. So which I don't really know how I want this. So let's keep going. Ooh, pulling on that. That's so short. I'm an emo kid, non-conforming SMB. You be non-conforming too if you look just like me. Also, I kind of want to live my Carly Rae Jepsen hair life. Like, she literally has the cutest bangs. She's always had the cutest bangs ever, and I've always been like, I dropped the comb again. Again, I'm working through like a really tiny mirror. It's really tiny. Watch this, guys. Like, the minute this video ends, I'm gonna tell you guys, maybe I'll come up with a video where I'll cut more of my hair off. Watch, that's actually gonna happen. I like predict it because already I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, it's kind of like, there's kind of like, you know, we're cutting some hair off. It is going, you know, taking a bit of shape, but I feel like I'm still not there. I don't know, like, I just want to look like, I don't know, really cute MySpace girl. Ooh. 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 Okay. Let's put all my hair down and see what it looks like with my hair down. Not hating. Not hating this. Not hating this. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. See, I did a good job with this. Look at this. This is a great transition, but my hair is not looking too emo. It's getting... Ooh. Okay, okay, Allie. Allie, calm down. Calm down, Allie. Calm down. I see it. I see it. Okay, okay. I feel like I'm gonna start to look like a lady from the 80s. Like, what's her name? Cindy Crawford? Is that her name? Cindy Crawford? I don't know. I don't know, maybe like the modern version. Or the not so extravagant version. Because your girl ain't so extravagant. Bye-bye. Bye, bitch. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. My eyebrows are sweating. Is that just me? Is that just me? Does that happen to only me? My eyebrows are sweating. Okay, so it's still looking sort of the same. Actually, no, it is looking the same. What am I talking about? I'll show you guys the little ball of hair that I accumulated. I feel like it's still pretty short. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you think that, like, what do you guys think? I still don't know. I still don't know. You know? You know, I still don't know. What am I gonna do? Okay, well, it was not that much hair. I didn't really cut so much. I'll put that in the garbage. I think, like, when I have my hair loose, the long hair in the back just, like, takes over the rest, which is, you know, I still like long hair. I kind of still want to look like a mermaid, so I guess, like, this is kind of what I'm going for in a way. I definitely don't want to cut all my hair off and then regret it and then have to, like, get hair extensions, which I did for years of my life, and that's why I grew my hair out, so I don't have to get hair extensions. So I think at this point we're just gonna have to, like, leave it, because I feel like if I start cutting more hair off, maybe it won't blend with the back, and I don't want any layers in the back, simply because I like how thick it is in the back. I'm gonna tease my hair a little so I look a little bit more emo, because sometimes, like, just leaving my hair the way it is just looks like a sloppy mess. So we're gonna tease it, and that's basically, I guess, gonna be the end of this video, because I'm still waiting on all my other props and stuff that I ordered to get here so I can make more entertaining videos for you guys. Oh, I would like to mention that I will be doing a Q&A soon. I know I told you guys this in the last video, but I will be doing a Q&A soon. So if you guys want to ask me some questions about whatever, you could pop them in the description. So fast forward to me teasing all my hair so I look like a scene bean. Okay, so my hair has been teased and I look like Joan Jett, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna push down my bangs. Maybe we'll put, like, a bow in my hair. Alright, so now I see a little bit more the trim that I did. Just a little bit, but, like, not too much, because, okay. Anyways, so overall I am happy with the, like, kind of tiny little adjustment I made to my hair, which is a good thing, but I know that the minute my hair starts to curl, I'm gonna be like, I gotta cut more off, but, like, that's not how it works. So if you're going for like this sort of look, I would suggest to, yeah, probably have straight hair when you do it. Am I seeing queen now? Like, please, thanks. I'd like that. Thanks. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay loyal, stay royal. Bye, guys.